Hey guys, my name is George, and I have attended my first ever Game Jam. Game Jam is a game making marathon where you have, in this case, 48 hours to make a game. And this year's theme was, drumroll,
Roll of the dice.
why is it fucking flying? Why is it flying? Instantiate, not extend. Jesus fucking Christ. Why did I brick it, man? What is this thing here? How did that get there? What the? Wait, it's obsolete? What do you mean? It looks terrible. What am I doing? Why is it going right? Why doesn't this work? I knew that I had it somewhere. I think I could start figuring out how am I gonna actually do the rolling. How does one create a 2D version of a dice and make it look good? That's the question. You don't. You just make it. It looks awful, but it works. So we have 2 dice so far. D3 looks so weird. Yeah, I think this is it. It looks fucking shit, but oh well. That's D3. We have our first object in our game. After how much? It started at 7. It's 10 o'clock. Fucking 3 hours. Not bad. Yeah, I kinda switched to my original idea, which was like rolling dice to get more materials. And instead, all the dice that I made, that they're gonna be like diamonds. So it's gonna be like dice diamonds or something like that. And you're gonna be mining for them. And how are you gonna be mining for them? Using a fucking winch. Is that it? How you pronounce it? Winch.
Winch.
Yep. So you're gonna be using winch, which is rolling. Okay, rolling, using the fucking prompt. Let's go. Why is it fucking flying? Why is it flying? Why am I so bad? This should be fucking horizontal times speed. Yes. Woo! How do you fucking spell it? Instantiate, not extend. Jesus fucking Christ. Instantiate. Okay. Okay. We've instantiated rope. Nice. At least like one part of the rope.
Hello everyone, it's the next day. It's 9 hours after. I did some work even not on camera. So currently we are able to move to the sides, which we were even before, and now we can actually go down. The rope is being generated at the start. There is a rope spawner. Currently I'm just having 10 ropes stacked on each other, so that's why there's like for loop, and it instantiates at the next position, like plus the Y size of the rope. And the reason why you cannot see it is because there is a block mask. So this is masked. Okay, so I managed to implement tile palette so we can slide on it, which is nice. Yeah, let's make the 20-sided die first. This looks more like a diamond, and this is like more pleasant on eyes. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing for the claw as well. It's because like I made a rope with the black border, right? And now like all the stuff that doesn't have the border is like looks fucking weird. What if I drag one of these here? It's gonna happen. It's gonna fucking break. No. Why did I brick it, man? What is this thing here? When did this get here? How did that get there? What the? Okay, so now we need to figure out how to pick up the dice, right? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it super physics oriented. It's gonna like snap to the claw. It's kind of funny though. It's kind of getting together, you know? It's like, it's something. Yeah, I was thinking about not having the rope static. So it would be like, woo, wobbly. Yeah, I don't think it would be fun if you could like bounce there. It would be fucking weird. Okay, so I did some work behind the camera. If I press play, I can actually go and pick this thing up. I mean pick, meaning that it registers that that I touched it. So adding 4 points is just a debug. It's currently just this object because I started to dabbling with scriptable objects. So this is a scriptable object which has the D4. Also, first of all, I need to perfect the script on the singular object. When it's good, I can release it on the other ones. Yeah, the main goal is to figure out how to snap the item onto the claw. Oh, he's changing the parent. Ooh, okay. Wait, it's obsolete? What do you mean? Find child has been deprecated. Use find instead. But I don't want to use find. Can I use like a get child? Let's see if something happens. Oh. Where is it? Okay, so it seems to work. So now if I scoot it over. Hey, I picked it up. Let's go. Oh, I can add like a release place, perhaps like some kind of container. Okay, you know what? Let's limit the claw so it doesn't go higher than it already starts with. Let's see if that works or if it's gonna be bugging out. Yeah, it's fucking bugging out. Okay, so it went above it, right? Because it can go above it slightly, and when it's above it, it cannot do anything. Okay, so this seemed to be working. It looks terrible. What am I doing? Why am I so bad at pixel art? Gonna pick it up. Okay, we picked it up. I'm holding something. Okay, and I dropped something. Yeah, but it didn't destroy this. Okay, that worked. Nice. Progress. Hey guys, I'm back. It's last day. I have basically less than 7 hours to finish. Well, there's the 2 bonus hours, but yeah, let me just show you what I've done in the meantime. As you can see in the left corner, there's a score as well as high score. As well, I've added the exit button so we can exit. It just works when it's built. I also created some art for like a blade. I think there's gonna be like blade, like a hazard that you have to avoid. And as well, I made a dirt tile. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't look like swastika though. Fuck, I didn't think of that. Fuck. Ugh. Oh well. Yeah, this could look like a blade spawner. Why is it going right? Next, I need to figure out how to game over. Unity game over. Game over. Nice. Time is fucking running out. Panic. Oh my god. It looks actually not bad. It's like it has like a super old school, perhaps like a Shovel Knight vibe, let's say. I'm so fucking nervous. I'm stressed because I'm running out of time. Okay, I'm so fucking curious if this is gonna work or not. Ooh, it fucking works! Just like that. Ooh, let's go. Ugh. I'm fucking nervous. Why am I so nervous? Jesus Christ. Instantiate despawn. How do you do that? Wait, you can yield in a function? That's OP. Wait, I remember I made a video, something about it, that you can coroutine from start method. Unity. No, this is not it. Okay, am I really gonna watch my own video because I forgot it? That's me. That's me. Woo, bug. Why doesn't this work? I knew that I had it somewhere. Oh, I didn't even have new. Fuck, I'm fucking. Oh, okay, so like this. Okay, this is gonna be fucking OP. 1, 2. Okay, so it works. Nice. That's fucking OP. Let's go. Yeah, that's quite fun. That's quite fun. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's go. Okay, you know what? Let's actually finish some sort of map, like a level. Ooh, that's, yeah, I mean, it's hard, but I'm gonna have only one level, I guess, because
I'm already too fucking burnt out. Okay, so what I need to finish is the points that are shown in the game over screen. They're still just a static number. Boom, so we have 3 points. Game over, 3 points. And another can of worms is how to add sound. I found this. I'm staying at my aunt's place, so this is some sort of measuring device, and it has like a thingy so you can make kind of good sound. I am not good with audio. Okay, let's just try if we can hear it. That's pretty good loop. Next we're gonna need some sort of picking up of the dice, and for that I have a glass and a wine cork opener. Yeah, I'm too stupid for this. I'm starting to have a headache because I'm fucking tired. I was tricked. This way you can only play sounds but you cannot stop. First of all, I need to figure out when I'm going down or up, which is directly correlated to me pressing W and S. Okay, good enough. Good enough. Good enough. It has some sound. It has 2 sounds, okay? Oh my god, I'm so fucking washed up and tired, and oh my god, my head hurts, headache. And now I need to figure out how to properly build it. I have like less than an hour, but there's like 2 hours after that, so technically like almost 3 hours. Ooh, and the archive has less than 22 megs. Hey, awesome! Your project has been submitted. My first ever Game Jam project has been submitted. I haven't filmed outro, so post-editing will have to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to slap the subscribe button or like button, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye!